Oh, sorry guys, I didn't see you there. Happy Valentine's Day. I hope you had an amazing Valentine's Day. And I am so sorry I haven't posted in a while. I just, school was being stressful and my birthday was February 8th. By the way, I turned 10. And I just lately have been really stressful and I never got the chance to post. So please, please, please don't unsubscribe. I just have been so stressful. I'm so sorry about that. But today I have 4 shout-outs. Shout-outs go to Allie Hargrave, Kenna Martinez, Mixing It Up, and Mia Bernardo. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. And if you want a shout-out, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment down below, I subscribed, and I will give you a shout out, hopefully in my next video, which is probably going to be next week. But today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the noise that I was showing at the beginning of the video, like this. So, how you do that is, you make a fist, make sure like your whole right here is an index finger wide, like make sure you can put your index finger in it, and then, but don't do it too big. And then you're gonna put your pinky up. And then you're gonna put it on your mouth, and all you're gonna say is the word girl. That's it. That might sound really weird, but just say the word girl, like this. And that's the only thing to it. I'm sorry this was such a short video. I just thought I haven't posted in a while, and I just needed to post. So I just decided to post that video, and I really don't want you to unsubscribe. I just have been so stressful lately, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.